第42页，生活快递，波巴奇奇效应揭开声音的奥秘。
What do Bouba and Kiki sound like to you? One of the greatest achievements of the human race is our development of languages. Over thousands of years, humans have created more than 7,000 languages. Many of these languages are very different from one another. But there is an experiment that shows how different languages can still share some basic connections. The Bouba Kiki experiment was first carried out in 2001. In the experiment, participants are shown two abstract line drawings. One of them has rounded edges, and the other has spiky corners. The participants have to decide which one is a Bouba and which one is a Kiki. Both of these words are nonsense and have no meaning. However, 95% of people will say that the rounded shape is a Bouba and the spiky one is a Kiki. The researchers believe that these results have to do with the shapes made by the mouth when we say these words. Pronouncing the word Bouba requires the mouth to make a more rounded shape, while a more angular mouth shape is needed to make the sound of Kiki. The results of the experiment suggest that there is a link between sounds and shapes.